introduce ourselves, go over our goals for the year, for the month, and we get to meet each other. Who's excited?
Yes!
All right, let's do this. Well, I'll start first. I'm Jennifer Nicole Lee. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you to be here, and I love hosting beautiful women in fashion, real estate, accounting, acting, beauty, skincare, and meeting new and old VIP queens. As you guys know, I am the author of 16 books, and I just released my 16th one, which I'm going to be giving away. We have one winner already, right? Yes! And I'm really excited to, work with brands and publications like Ocean Drive Magazine, thank you very much, and to do a lot of empowerment like you do. And I have an online coaching program. Who here is in my online coaching program? Yeah. Oh yeah, you will be. And I just want to share a little bit of what I do. I coach online and I do workouts. I do mindset. I help you evoke your intestinal fortitude to never give up. We throw in a little spiritual wellness as well. We talk about self-care and just being your own best friend, okay? And that's at jnovip.com. If you want to try it out for your first 30 days, it's only $1. Which is crazy, and then it's only $25 every month after that, and that's at jnovip.com. I host these events to get to know beautiful people and to really kind of connect with my other soul sisters, because I believe in nurturing women and helping them to grow and prosper, right? Yes. Okay, so that's my spiel. You can visit me again at jnovip.com or jennifernicoley.com. And last but not least, don't miss our next event, which is March the 8th, the first Saturday of March. I'm gonna let you pass it around, and you can go ahead and RSVP to that as well, all right? Before you leave, make sure you grab a goodie bag, and I'm also gonna be giving away tons of swag as well. Who wants to go first and introduce themselves? Okay, good. Just go right ahead and stand up. That's right.
So, my name is Julia, I'm 19 years old. I am a college student. I'm studying marketing.
Welcome.
My own fitness business.
Can you come more in the middle so we can all hear you?
I'm sick, so I'm sorry. I'm not projecting.
That's
as
okay.
well.
Yeah, project.
I am an online fitness coach. I own a business. My business is called Bailey Body, and I help women with online workouts and nutrition. And I am a personal trainer and a nutritionist. I'm certified in both. And I'm happy to meet all of you guys, and I can't wait to hear about it.
Wonderful. Woo! Ring the bell. Good. Who wants to go next? Don't be shy. Okay, Clara, and then Sarah. Perfect.
Hi, I'm happy to be here today.
We love you.
Thank Jennifer Nicole and the other ones, VIP that I know. So happy to meet all of you new ones. It's not because Jennifer is my friend. We have been maybe together for a year.
Yes,
right?
a year in March. It'll be a year in March. Yes.
It's not because she's my friend for her J&O VIP program. It's the best.
Oh, I love you.
It's the best. I don't get to do much of the workouts because I start really early in the morning my day. But let me tell you, the motivational.
Oh, I love you. Where's my bell to ring?
Every day, she's like kicking me right there in my butt every day.
I love you. Like wake up, I'm like a rooster.
What I do for a living, I'm a cosmetic chemist. I own my own company. So we manufacture
Which I love.
Your products are natural and organic, 100%. It's not easy. It's not easy in this type of business. This type of industry is very competitive. So it's not easy at all.
But you're doing great.
But we are moving forward.
Yes.
I'm so happy to announce that we will be in the first
What?
store.
Yes.
Wow. Vegan Fine Body.
Congratulations. Yes.
Thank you
Yes,
very much.
yes,
So
yes.
that's what I do for living. Any questions you have, please let me know, and I work to work with you. We work with Jennifer.
Oh, I love it.
together.
Yes, I'm a proud affiliate. You're going to get 20% off of your $50.
You get 20% off.
Yes, so go to delugecosmetics.com. Yes, thank you so much, Clara. We love you. Yay, Brooke says yay, by the way. All right, who's next? Sarah. Sarah is